And we're back here on Open. Casita María presents Equipo, or Team in English. This is a workshop empowering Bronx youth through the power of the arts. And joining us now is Alexia Núñez Bachmann, who's Counsel for Community Affairs, General Consulate of Mexico in New York, and Gail, Heidel, Director for Creative Arts Programming. And we welcome you. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
Good. So give us a little bit more about Forgotten.
Sure. So Forgotten is an exhibition by Mexico City artist Jorge Taliache, and he is going to be flying in on September 5th to start an installation at the Casita María Gallery, which is located at 928 Simpson Street. And the exhibition is going to have a temporary mural painted directly on our gallery wall, and he's also bringing with him about 30 canvases that we're going to stretch on site. And all of the imagery references, Mexican culture and Mexican history. And there's also going to be a workshop, which you mentioned before, called Equipo. So the exhibition will open on the 13th of September from 5 to 8, and then we'll have the workshop 2 days later. And this workshop is for 8 to 20-year-olds. You can register online at casitamaria.org. We still have space, and it's going to be a hands-on workshop. And as you mentioned, the focus is about empowering young people through art.
And give us a little bit about what people should be expecting. I mean, what will be actually taking place? I mean, you gave me a little bit about the events, but what should people be actually taking place that people will be like, hey, I really want to be a part of this one?
Yes, I think for the inauguration and opening ceremony on September 13th, they will have the opportunity to have a conversation with Jorge Taliache. He will be there to explain about this amazing exhibition and explore themes of identity, of who we are, and to understand where is our origin and where are we going. So I think it's very important for the youth to be there and to participate in this workshop.
I know you're taking a particular advantage, a particular emphasis on making sure that youth are actually present and coming out to be a part of this. And when we talk about the artists, for those people who really aren't too familiar with the artists, give us a little bit more about the background.
Sure. Well, as I mentioned, he's from Mexico City. He uses kind of prehistoric imagery, and correct me with the word alebrijes.
Alebrijes, yes.
So these are magical, mystical creatures that he creates. And then the exhibition focus is this idea of forgotten. He feels that as a people, that we have forgotten the importance of our word and our honor, and he's hoping through the imagery that he depicts in his paintings, that this will be something that, we can reclaim.
So I want to let you know that you can want to be a part of this. Saturday, September 15th, there is that workshop that's taking place from 10 to 11:30. And of course, that's the art workshop. And then Thursday, September 13th from 5 to 8, that is the actual celebration and artist talk, an opportunity to actually talk. So how did this all come about?
Well, our executive director at Casita María, Heidel Morales, had a previous relationship with the Mexican consulate at her last position. And so when she took over as the executive director for Casita, she wanted to continue that relationship, particularly because the demographics are changing in Hunts Point. So there's a new Mexican population that's has been moving in. So we reached out to the Mexican consulate. They came to visit. Alexia was there during the first meeting.
And from our side, we seek to collaborate with organizations that help empower youth, that help bring services to the immigrant population. And as Gail was saying, there's a growing Mexican immigrant community in the Bronx. More than 70,000 Mexicans live in that county. So we always look to strengthen collaboration with organizations that serve our community.
And raising a voice. I mean, when you talk about 70,000, right here in our borough, that's a big number. So talk about the involvement and really getting those people actively involved.
Yes, we do through the consulate try to do outreach services for our community to let them know about all the area of programs that we have available from them at the consulate, from documentation services, protecting them, talking to them about what are their rights, but also the work that is very important of art, education, and promoting the empowerment of the community to have a better and integrated Mexican community here.
And before we get out, please let people know once again dates, times, so they can come be a part.
Sure. So you can register for the workshop. That's going to be held on September 15th. It's from 10 in the morning to 11:30. You go to casitamaria.org to register. The opening reception, which is going to be a celebration and artist talk, is on the 13th of September from 5 to 8. Don't register, just show on up. There'll be food, there'll be drink. The artist will be in from Mexico City. He's going to give an artist talk. The Consul General will be there, and he'll be addressing the gallery attendees as well.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we wish you a wonderful event, and certainly we want our public to come on out and participate. And thank you guys for coming and sharing with us.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for giving us the opportunity.
Oh, not a problem whatsoever.
Thank
Good to
you
have
so
you.
much.
Good to have you.
Thank you.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, we have come to the end of our show today. I want to thank all of our guests for joining us, but most of all, I want to thank you, the viewer, for tuning in. Now, if you missed any part of today's show, you can catch the Recablecast at 5 and 10 p.m. on Optimum's Channel 67, Verizon Files, that'd be Channel 33, or you can watch us anytime on the web at bronxnet.org. For all of us here on the set of Open, I'm Daren Jaime saying take care, God bless, and once again, a special shout out to all those who are watching on MNN, where we are live simultaneously every Open show. Reno will be back with you on Friday. We'll see you soon.